this is what I will be having for my dinner here today. Yes, on the Winston Gel, Cooking and Discovery TV. Butterfly shrimps with baked potatoes, and top it off with some nicely fried bacons with tomatoes and scallion. Yes, and a creamy Gorda sour cream cheese sauce. Yes, with garlic and scallion and hot pepper and black pepper. All that will be in this dish that I'll be creating today for myself on the Winston Gel Cooking and Discovery TV on the YouTube platform. All right, my friends. So I'm gonna put the potatoes now into the oven. Yes, and get the process going. All right, you're watching the Winston Gel Cooking and Discovery TV on the YouTube platform. Bacon will be going in the oven. Yes, it will be going in the oven, and the oven will do the frying or the cooking for me. All the oil from the bacon will be absorbed into the container. Then I will cut it up later, and it will be the topping that will be going onto the bacon.